I'm going to show you guys the correct and authentic way to distress your denim using any sort of drill and tip.
What is good, fashion people? It is your curly hair brown boy, the Prince, and welcome back to the channel, guys. And so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to distress denim the right way. So there's many ways out there to distress denim, but I'm gonna show you how to do it to get the best and most authentic results. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'll be using this pair of denim shorts to demonstrate how to do the distressing. So basically, distressing is removing the top layer of vertical blue threads and revealing the underneath white ones that go horizontally. So for example, here's one that I did over here, and so you can see that I've distressed it, and here we have these white horizontal threads. So to do this, I'll be using a grinding stone, and you guys can see right here. Now the one that I'll be using fits right into my drill. It just fits right in onto the top, and then I can use that. Now there are other ways you can do it in other pieces, and I know there are also handheld ones that you can use. Some of them have sandpaper, but the one I'll be using is a grinding stone, and that is completely okay. So when you're distressing, you want to scrape the fabric horizontally, right? You want to remove these top vertical threads, and you do that by scraping it horizontally. You don't want to go horizontally with it, otherwise you could rip the underneath the white horizontal threads, and we don't want that. We want to keep that intact so we have a nice distressed look. So guys, I am now going to use my grinding stone, and so when distressing using the grinding stone, you want to apply a light amount of pressure and move in a back and forward motion. This is the best method to remove the vertical layer. You don't want to apply too much pressure, otherwise this can create a hole right through the top and even the bottom layer of the denim. To prevent this, you can use a cardboard or something similar and place it in between the two layers, just in case you do create any holes. Okay guys, so before we start, I do want to say, guys, please, I recommend that you wear a mask. It's pretty important because when we are distressing the jeans, it will create a mess with a lot of these fibers, and when you're distressing, you can also create microfibers, and these microfibers, you can inhale them and they can cause respiratory issues and even allergies. So I highly recommend wearing a mask. So here you can now see some of the white threads are starting to be revealed, and we can see all this fluff from the top layer of the blue vertical threads being removed, and this is good. So I'm just going to continue doing that all over here, continue to slowly grind away at it, and we'll start to see more and more of these white horizontal threads show. Okay guys, so here we go. Now we'll have a lot of distressing all over in this area, and you guys can see I have a few holes here, and there's a hole over here, and just some small ones. And I like to add some holes when I'm doing distressing because I feel like it makes the distressing look more realistic and a bit more authentic, so I like to do that. It just gives it a really nice grungy kind of distressed vibe. So guys, now we're moving on to the final step of finishing off our distressing, right? So cool. Now here I have a thread picker, so we can use a thread picker, or you can even use like a needle, guys. I actually prefer using a needle because it's thinner, but either or will do. So this is where my distressing is. And so
I'm just gonna go ahead using my needle and I'm gonna start rubbing on these top threads to start revealing the bottom ones. So now, because basically what we've done, we've loosened up that top layer, and now if I just rub, you'll see all that top vertical blue threads will just start to come right off. See, there we go. You can see it's coming right off really nice and easy. Do y'all see here how I'm basically just breaking off and just removing all these blue vertical threads? I'm just basically just like peeling them right off. And some of them are stuck together, but you can just separate the horizontal threads and then just keep on pulling off these blue ones.
So guys, and now I am done with my distressing. It is looking so good. Here we can see our horizontal white threads all over here. We even have some of these horizontal threads that have been broken and are just kind of sitting crazily all over. You can see in between these horizontal threads, we still have some of this blue vertical chunks stuck in between them, which helps give it a very realistic and authentic look. You can tell by the cut of how it's done. It's like all cut quite jagged. We even have some pieces that are not all that distressed well or well frayed. We have some pieces here. We have another piece over here. And this all plays into the authentic and realism look of the distressing. So guys, that is pretty much it from me. That is how you properly distress denim. I hope that you guys will take this information, go and have a blast with it and create all sorts of amazing distressed projects, guys. And if you did find this video helpful, then please go ahead and return the favor by dropping a like on this video, guys. It really helps me out and helps get my videos out there to more people, guys. And if you're new to the channel, then why not go ahead and sub to the channel? Come on, you've already come this far. Why not just join the family, guys? And guys, I'd please like to encourage you guys to go and check out my social medias. You guys can go and interact with me there as well. I post all sorts of awesome and amazing fashion content as well as my own work. Guys, please go ahead and drop me a comment down below on what video you guys would like me to do next. I'm always looking to know how I can better help you guys. So please, whether it be a DIY or a tutorial, go ahead and drop it in the comments. I reply and read all my comments, guys. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Keep living your passion.